Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Keto Granny. This is Vlogmas day number 6. I had to look and see. I put up a short yesterday for number 5, but today I want to talk a little bit about grocery hauls. I think that's very, very important, and especially this time of year when a lot of people are trying to stay on point, trying to stay focused on their weight loss journey, and to make sure that they are eating right. Join me as I dive into the challenge of creating the ultimate grocery haul for weight loss. I want to see if there's anything that I can talk about or explore that, a lot of people don't talk about when they talk about grocery hauls. When it comes to weight loss, a lot of the times we focus on the gym, we focus on exercise routine, but the truth is, nutrition plays a very huge role in our progress. Nutrition plays a very huge role in our success as we are on our weight loss journeys. Let's be real, the first step to healthy eating is grocery shopping. It's not the gym, it's not exercise, it's grocery shopping because it has to do with nutrition and it has to do with buying healthy foods. So that's why it's so important for your grocery hauls in your weight loss journey to be good and to be filled with nutritious foods. It's not about just going to the store and throwing a bunch of healthy foods into your cart. You really want to look at what you're buying and you want to make sure that it's going to fit your lifestyle. You want to make sure that it is going to fit into your weight loss journey and it's going to be foods that you like to eat. If you buy foods that you don't like to eat or you just base the foods on what everyone else is eating, you are not going to stick to your weight loss journey. One of the biggest misconceptions that people have about grocery shopping, especially when they're on a weight loss journey, is they feel like they need to break the bank. Um, they feel that healthy eating requires a lot of expensive specialty foods that only people who had a lot of money can afford, but that's not true. The reality of it is that buying whole unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins are some of the most budget friendly options that you can have. Another misconception is that you need to completely overhaul your diet and get all of your favorite comfort foods out, take all of everything out at one time, take all of the sugars, the pastas, the cakes, the candies out. You don't have to overhaul your diet like that all at once. Let's be real. Who can sustain that? Who can stick to that? No one can stick to a diet like that. So you don't even want to start off like that because you will be setting yourself up for failure. Um, Even healthy eaters allow themselves to have an occasional treat. So you have to remember this. It's about finding balance, not perfection. It's all about finding balance and not perfection when you are on your weight loss journey and when you are doing your grocery haul. There's the idea that grocery shopping for weight loss requires like a PhD in nutrition. You have to be really smart when you're going out doing your grocery haul. People think that you need to spend hours researching for the perfect foods and reading labels and counting macros, but it's not that complicated. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can become a pro at grocery shopping for weight loss. There's the misconception that healthy eating is boring. People think that in order to lose weight, they need to give up their favorite foods and stick to bland, tasteless meals, but that's not true either. Healthy food can be delicious, it can be exciting, it just requires sometimes a little bit of creativity. So, how do you actually grocery shop for weight loss? It all does start with reading the labels. Don't be fooled by fancy marketing terms when you see things like, say, natural or whole grain. Instead, focus on the ingredient list and the nutrition facts. Choose your foods that have less ingredients and less added sugar is what you want to look for when you are reading your labels. Fewer ingredients and less added sugar. Prioritize whole unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins like lean ground beef, your meats. Some people use whole grains. These foods will not only provide you with important nutrients, but they'll also keep you full longer and also reduce the likelihood that you're going to be overeating, as long as you're eating good, nutritious foods. Also, meal planning is going to be very, very important while you're on your weight loss tour. Don't go to the grocery store without a list and without a plan. Don't go to the grocery store while you are hungry. Don't go to the grocery store while you are in a rush. These are all bad times to shop when you are going to do a grocery haul. When you're going to the store, think about your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner options for the week and make a list of the ingredients that you need. So this is not only help you save time, it's going to help you save money, but it's also going to help you avoid last minute unhealthy choices. And finally, don't be afraid to get creative. You can add in different ingredients to the dishes that you are making to make these more tasty, to make these more to what you like to eat. Try new recipes, experiment with some new spices and new seasonings. These can all, change the way that your food tastes and find healthy alternatives to filling for your favorite comfort foods. This evening I made keto chili the other day. And so that's my main comfort food that I will be eating. And I'm going to make some keto friendly crackers with this out of mozzarella cheese. I will share that with you. But here's the thing, even with these tips and tricks, grocery shopping for weight loss can still be very, very overwhelming. There's so much information out there. You have so many people telling you to eat this, to eat that, telling you what to focus on. That's why I want to share an insight that can simplify this whole entire process. It's not just about the food itself, but it can be about the experience also. Think about it. When you're grocery shopping, you're not just buying food, you're setting yourself up for success or for failure. You're creating an environment that either supports or hinders your weight loss goal. So instead of focusing on individual foods, focus on the experience when you're in the store. Think about how you can make grocery shopping a positive, enjoyable experience. Grab yourself a cup of coffee over from the local Starbucks in the store. Play some music. Just make it a fun outing when you're doing your grocery shopping. And this is going to help, take your mind off of just getting certain things sometime and then even shopping mindlessly. This might sound silly, but trust me, it does make a difference. When you associate grocery shopping with positive feelings, you're more likely to stick to your healthy habits when you're going to the store and shopping. My daughter, what she does, I've seen her before when she's in the store, she buys a Starbucks uh, coffee and they walk around and shop, laugh, talk, and it's an enjoyable experience. So if you can do this, this will make your grocery shopping much better also. So what's the takeaway from this? Grocery shopping for weight loss isn't about buying fancy foods or specialized foods or having specialized knowledge as far as what you just need to eat or taking in a certain grocery list and sticking to it and buying certain foods. It's about creating a positive experience that sets you up for success. So the best grocery list that you can get is one that is going to best fit your lifestyle. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, by reading the labels, and by meal planning, you can create a grocery haul that truly supports your weight loss goals. And this is what you need on your weight loss journey. By making this experience enjoyable as you're shopping, you're more likely going to stick to it. And that's what you want to do. You want to buy foods that you like to eat, foods that you enjoy, and you want to make it according to your lifestyle. You see the different foods and everything that I eat. You may not like the things that I eat. You may not like the way that I cook it, but buy foods that you like, things that you want to eat. Learn to substitute other good nutritious foods for your comfort foods like your cakes, your pies, your pastas. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have your grocery list, that was just some shopping tricks and tips that I wanted to share with you to make your grocery shopping a little bit more fun, a little bit more enjoyable, and then to help you to try and buy foods that you like. Remember, you have to make your weight loss journey fit your lifestyle. It has to fit you. You can watch other people and mark them and see what they do and try to stick to their different plans and everything. But you're not going to be successful until you um, cater to your lifestyle. You've got to cater to yourself in order to be successful. Anyhow, this is Keto Granny, and this was my Vlogmas number 6. If you have been out and you've done a grocery haul, you've taken your list with me, share some tips that you use. Do you shop the outer aisles first? What type of foods, while you're reading the labels, what things have you noticed? Um, Put it in the comments below, share it so that others can, see and learn about different ways to shop or different foods to buy and everything. But this is Keto Granny saying have a great evening and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.